Happy New Year! I can't believe I'm sitting here filming this video right now and it is 2021 and I wanted to do something a little bit different today. I just wanted to sit down and have a little chit chat with you guys. I just wanted to talk with you, just have a conversation today and fill you in on a couple changes that will be coming to my channel this year. Guys, it's Kristin. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate you spending some time with me in this new year. I'm sure you are so busy and have so much of your own stuff going on, so I really am excited that you are here watching this video today. So I've had a lot of stuff on my mind lately that I've been trying to decide whether or not I should make a video about, whether I should talk to you about it, or just kind of make these changes without mentioning anything. But I love you guys. You have supported me so much. And so I really wanted to just kind of give you a heads up on what you're going to be seeing, maybe changing or appearing a little bit different on my channel this upcoming year. But before that, I just want to thank you so much for all of the support you've given me this past year. Those of you that always watch my videos, you always attend my premieres, those of you that have maybe just found me in search and you've watched my video and you've stuck around, thank you so much for watching any ads and leaving any comments and thumbs upping my videos and sharing them with your friends. And I really appreciate it. It means so much to me, and I wouldn't be here for over 2.5 years now if it wasn't for you guys. The other thing I wanted to mention is I know you guys have probably noticed that I've started to do a couple sponsored videos here and there. This is something I held off on for years. When you start a YouTube channel, you have people reaching out to you almost immediately. They want you to share their product with your audience and they'll give it to you for free, or they want to, pay you an insanely small amount for you to create an entire video to sell their product. And the truth of it is, I just didn't feel aligned with any of the brands that reached out to me in probably the entire first 3 years of my business. I've never seen brand work and sponsored content as a huge part of my business revenue. It's just never really been in my vision for my business. But I have to be honest with you guys, I'm trying to grow my income and I am here to help you, but I'm also here to help my family. I truly believe that there is no better way to support your family than by helping other people. And I want to help, but I also need to earn an income. I also need to raise and increase my income so that I can help relieve that burden that my husband's been carrying for such a long time. I really want to contribute to my family's income. I really want to help support my family. I really want to be able to start trying to save for college for my kids and be able to take them on vacations. Part of increasing my income is starting to do some amount of sponsored content here on my channel. Ever since I started my channel, I've only ever created one video a week. So when I started creating some sponsored content in my videos, it's very important to me that not every single video I put out there to you is sponsored, but I just want you to know and I want you to understand it's going to be on my channel. I'm not sure to what degree, but it's going to be here. And two things. Number one, I appreciate so much you watching any video that is sponsored, you sharing any video that is sponsored, you clicking on the links in my sponsored videos, you trying the free trials that these brands are offering to you. It helps me so much. It makes me feel so supported and so loved by you. And I just want you to know how much I really, truly appreciate any love that you can give a sponsored video I do, because it shows the brands that I'm a good fit and I'm going to work hard for them and I'm going to deliver for them and I'm going to do a good job to represent them in their brand. Now, the flip side of that is I need to communicate to you how I say no to 99% literally of the people and the companies and the brands that reach out to me, because they just don't align. They're not a good fit. They're not a good fit for me. They're not a good fit for you guys. Maybe they're just spammy and I don't want to have anything to do with them. I have companies reach out that have absolutely nothing to do. They want me to show you things that have absolutely nothing to do with any of my content, and I'm not here for that. I'm not here to share things with you just to get a paycheck. It has to align with my content, and it has to align with what my viewers want. So if you see something on my channel, please understand that I've done my research and I have thought long and hard about whether this product or this service that I'm sharing with you is valuable to you in some way. If I don't think it's valuable to you, if I don't think it's a good place or a good company to spend your money with, I will not be sharing it. It won't happen. So I just want you to understand that I vet these companies, I vet these brands on my own. I take my time and I really think through whether or not I think it would be a good fit and whether or not I think it's something that would be worth your money or your time to look into and try yourself. I've just been feeling pretty restless with YouTube the past couple of months. I mentioned this a couple times over on my Instagram stories. I don't think I've talked about it particularly on YouTube before, but I've been feeling really restless and I haven't really been sure what it means or what it signifies, or if it means I should leave YouTube or I should completely pivot and go in another direction. I've been trying to find some clarity, and I'm not sure if I've yet found that clarity, but I do know that it's time for me to just switch things up a little bit and kind of see how that feels to me, see how that feels to you guys, and see where it may lead me and my channel and my business in the future. All that to say, I still have a huge passion for personal finance, especially when it comes to teaching and helping other women how to improve your finances, how to prioritize and practice financial self-care, how to take back control of your own finances so you are in the driver's seat and you are telling your money what to do and not the other way around. I'm so passionate about that. It really is what sparked my business, what drives my business, what I'm still so passionate about today. But having Sense and Purpose now for over 3 years, I feel as though my audience is kind of expecting more from me. You guys have seen me start this channel when I'm still in debt. I was over $50,000 in debt. You've seen me kind of go through the baby steps. You have watched us become debt-free. You have supported us while it took us a year plus to finish our emergency fund. You have been here. You have seen us grow. You have been through our journey with us. And I love that. I love and appreciate it so much. You can still expect to see personal finance content. However, we are going to continue to pretty much stick to basics around here. That is my area of expertise. That is where I feel comfortable drawing on my own personal experiences with money, with budgeting, with digging ourselves out of debt, and feel that I can confidently and adequately help you during that stage on your journey. I want to be your resource when you are really feeling helpless, you're feeling hopeless, you're feeling overwhelmed, you're feeling like you just can't get this budgeting thing down. You can't figure out how to squeeze one more dime out of your budget. You can't figure out how to save any money because you feel like you're broke and you're spending all your money each month. I want to help you learn how to save money through meal planning, through tracking your spending, through frugal living. That is my zone of expertise, and that is where I can help you best. And I really want to maximize my time. Guys, YouTube is a lot of work. So much more work than I ever thought it was when I decided to start a channel. And it serves you best and it serves me best if I'm using my time wisely and creating content on things that I don't have to sit here and spend hours researching, on things that are already in my heart, on things that I already have experience with, and on things that I can share with you and really help you make an impact in your lives. Would investing make an impact in your life? Yeah, of course it would. But in the time it would take me to probably produce one mediocre video on investing, I could probably produce 2 videos with super actionable tips to really help you fine-tune your budget, increase your savings, get out of debt, and just start feeling more stable and more comfortable with your own finances. So that is what I'm going to stick with. In addition, I'm going to be kind of branching out and expanding into some other main topics. So I already told you my passion is helping women really get out of the overwhelm and just kind of get started, get organized, figure out what to do when their finances are a mess. And my end goal is to help women be able to find some margin in their lives, especially those stressed and overwhelmed mamas like myself. You're at home, you're running virtual learning right now, you're trying to work, or maybe you're not trying to work, that's okay, but you're trying to run your household, you're trying to make the budget work, you're trying to run the house, you're trying to pay the bills, you're trying to get dinner on the table, you're trying to do the laundry, and it's just a lot. You just feel overwhelmed and sometimes like you're drowning, like you can't breathe, and I just want to help you find your way. So we are going to start focusing a little bit more around here on how you can create margin, how you can find margin in 3 different areas of your life. So the first one is your budget and your money, and that's where we're going to continue with the basic personal finance content. But then I also want to help you do the same thing around your home. So how can you cut back? How can you minimize? How can you declutter? How can you organize? And I'm not saying that every video is going to show you how I clean out my closet, but I do have a couple tricks up my sleeve, a couple things that I have learned along the way of trying to do this exact same thing here in my home as well. And I want to share those with you because I know that so many of you in my audience, so many of my viewers and my readers are just like me, and you're struggling with a lot of the same things. I really have a passion to try and reach out and pull you up so you can stop being so stressed out and so overwhelmed too. So we're gonna start focusing a little more on how you can create margin in your home. And then the last thing I want to expand upon is how you can create margin in your day as it specifically relates to your time. So if you're a parent, especially if you're a mom, I know you feel me when I say there just are not enough hours in a day. I remember being a young girl and my mom saying that to me every day and me thinking, are you crazy? I can't wait till the weekend gets here. Every day, every week takes so long. And now, what I wouldn't give to have that feeling back again. If you have followed me for a while, then you have probably watched me really struggle with productivity, really struggle with time management. I'm constantly looking to find different ways that I can discover new productivity hacks and try out new things with my schedule and my business and my kids and my home and all the things. And I want to share those with you guys as well because I know so many of you, again, are struggling with the same things. And although I don't consider myself an expert on time management, I thought it would be fun to do a little more content about that so that we can go down that road together, right? And we can walk that path together and try to help each other find more margin in our time so that we can do the things that we love and we can spend more time with the people that we love. And ultimately, all of this is really just to help you live a more intentional, purposeful, joyful life. That is really my mission here. I've just been trying to be more aligned and make sure that my content is more aligned with my passions and what I know my readers and my viewers need to see from me. That's what I want to talk to you about today. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. I would love to hear if you think you can benefit from some of these extra content ideas, or if you're upset and frustrated that I'm kind of pivoting a little bit. I would love to hear from you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'm excited to start creating content that I feel will be more tangible, more actionable for you, and I just want to help you so much more in 2021. Really create a life that you love living every single day. So I hope you will stick with me. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope if you're new here, you will subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a great day and an incredible 2021. Bye.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing.